Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to set up the second and most important ad of this whole system. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the ad based on the lookalike audience. Alright, so this is a really important ad that you need to set up to get the whole cycle. If you remember, I talked about it really good. Alright, so let me show you how you can do that, and it's really easy. You just have to change a couple of small stuff. Alright, so let's go into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the campaign that you just created, and what you're going to do is you basically are going to copy this whole thing. Now if you see this is the ad set that we created, and it has the ad that we just set up. If you let me just go inside, take a look. This is the ad that we just set up in the last video. So what you're going to do is you want to click on this edit button here, and you click on create similar ad set. Now let me explain while this thing is loading, let me explain how this works. Facebook has has this ad system that the first thing is campaign, and under each campaign there are ad sets, and under each ad set there are multiple ads. Okay, so each ad is under each ad set. Now ad sets have multiple ads under them, and ad set is the place where you set up your audience. Okay, so you can define a specific audience and show multiple ads to one audience to see which one works better. You know, these are all for testing purposes, obviously. So so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the same ad set and just change ad and the audience in it, so we're gonna be good to go. Alright, so again, you click on that edit button, and you basically go, this page is gonna pop up. Now the first thing you want to edit is the ad set itself, and this is where you choose the audience. Now let's change the ad set name to lookalike. $5 a day is fine. We click on this, and let's add the 1%. Okay, this is the lookalike audience. Let's actually filter it like that. There you go. So lookalike US 1% golf video data. This is the one we're going to choose, and let's delete this. Okay, and then next thing you want to do is you want to do the age, because if you remember in the last video I didn't do the age, but this one I'm doing it because I want to make sure I'm filtering this lookalike audience, because this lookalike audience is not exactly people we kind of don't know them. They're not engaged with our channel. So the goal of this ad is to get them engaged with our channel. Okay, so next one is let's choose men. If you remember, again, my main audience in this campaign is men, so we want to make sure we do that, and that the rest should be good. Alright, so let's click on save and continue, and next thing you want to edit is the ad itself. So you're gonna click on this, and you click on edit. You can you can change the name. I usually don't touch it, but you can touch it. You can change it if you want. Let's change it to something, I don't know, lookalike ad. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you're going to change this to an image. This is really important because I already have this video here, right? The video, people are going to see this video. So if I have the video in up front on the ad, people are not going to, I mean, there's no point for them to click on this ad to see this video in the back end, right? So it's really important to choose the right image. Now let's go, and let me actually go and choose the change it to the image, and you're going to select the image. Let's select this. There you go. That looks perfect. The text is good. It's pretty much the same. Discover the amazing view. Golf swing correction. Let's get that here. Alright, yeah, I'm just playing with this to see which one looks better. Alright, so that looks good. Learn more. And next thing you want to change is the URL, obviously, because you don't want to send them to the old landing page. We want to send them to the engagement landing page, right? So let's do that. That looks good. And everything else should be fine. So you click on save and continue. And you click on place order. And done. Alright, let's wait for it to kind of go through. Perfect. Alright, so that's it pretty much. Our campaigns are running, everything is working, the cycle is working, and everything is in place. Now all you need to do is just sit back, watch it, and just optimize if you need to. Now I'm going to talk about optimization in updates, so you really don't have to do much, but I'm going to talk about it and tell you if sometimes you might need to make some changes on optimizations. Not usually, but once in a while, and I'm gonna talk about it in updates. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to apply everything that I just showed you and move forward with me. Again, that's what I said before. If you remember when I started, do everything with me, so you're gonna actually do it, learn it by doing it. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in next videos and updates. Have a great day.